Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Bonnie Faye. You want to say hi, Miss Bonnie Faye? Yeah? Hey girl, you're a daddy's girl, aren't you? Yes, he's at work. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So y'all, I have a Maurices haul. Now, this is a little haul. I only got 2 things. But, you know, I'm on this kick with the jeans and the flare. I don't know. I'm wanting to try them all. So I got 2 pair of flare high-rise jeans for Maurices, and we're going to see if they fit and what you think of them. Let me see. I believe they're both KanCan. Yes, they are KanCan jeans. Now, if y'all watch my videos, cat hair. If y'all watch my videos pretty often, you know that KanCan has actually been coming in my Stitch Fix box. And I did just keep a pair. I believe they were like $58. Well, these are originally between $65 and $70 at Maurices, but I got them on sale. It was a day when all of their jeans were on sale for the same price, $42.50. So I was like, oh, yay, KanCan jeans for a good price. So I ordered these 2. We're going to see what we think. You coming up? There's Miss Cali Cat, everybody. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? Want to say hi? Hey. Want to say hi? Say hi? You silly girl. All right, let's just open the package up. Because, you know, I want to see what they're like. The cats are so excited because I actually have the window open. The window hasn't been open here in a while because, you know, we've been sick for like the past month. So we haven't been wanting to open the windows. Plus, it was really cold. Today, it's 65 degrees. It just comes out of nowhere. Changes like that around here. Oh my goodness. So here are the jeans. I'm going to unwrap them and we'll see what we got. Okay, this pair has the higher retail value of $69.99. But oh my goodness. Look, they have the button flap, which sometimes I love these, sometimes I don't. It just depends. What does it call them? Medium sandblast. KanCan flare high-rise ripped button fly jeans. These are in a size 30. KanCans I normally do size down, more towards the smaller side than the tighter side because they are a stretchy pair of jeans. All right, let's see. So here's the distressing it was talking about. They are a very high rise and a very flare jean. There's distressing at the bottom too and a frayed hem. Very cute. I don't know why I like this look. I just think it's cute with the darker and just a little bit of lighter. Now sometimes it does look like you sat down and bleach on them, which my husband loves to tease me about. But very fun. I'm curious to see how they are gonna look. See that detail there? Oh my goodness, they're gonna be so high. Ooh, you know I love them high. Okay, on to the next. Bonnie, are you having trouble finding a way to get up, baby? And the next ones I got are black. Now, the funny thing about it, I believe they read the exact same. KanCan black flare high-rise button fly jean. These are regularly $64.99. They are in a size 30, but look at the stretch on those. And you can tell they do look different. They don't have the little indent here. I don't know if they will be quite as high as the others. I don't know why black is normally made differently. Are y'all gonna fight? Okay. But they always do. They fit differently. Sometimes what fits in a blue jean will not fit in the black, or the black will fit and the blue won't. So I do like getting them like this. And there is that flare. And as you can see, this is not a distressed. This one has a nice wide hem. I love these wide hems at the bottoms because they are not as likely to fold up like some of them are on these long flare jeans. So, ooh, I'm excited to try these on. They may be covered in fur, but you know, I've got lint rollers. I do. And y'all, it's so funny. Sometimes I'll leave the house, and yeah, most of the time when I leave the house, my husband is with me, and I'll just get the lint roller and have it, as soon as I get out of the car, before we go in wherever we're going, I'll get him to roll me off. And I'll do the same for him if he's wearing a black shirt, because cat hair, you know, what's that shirt say? Cat hair is my glitter. Yeah. There's lots of glitter in my house. All right, so I don't know. I'll show you what I'm wearing today, and I'll try these on. I'll probably try these on a different day because it's kind of getting late in the day. I did makeup stuff most of the morning, or I was on the phone. All right, y'all, so here is today's outfit. My top and my cardi both came from Stitch Fix, or they're just cute. And my denim came from Amazon. These are Democracy. Yes, these are Democracy. I had to look and see if I had the little D on the back. I couldn't remember. Anyway, so that's what I'm wearing today. Oh, my earrings. I think I got these from mintMONGOOSE. Lippy of the day. The outline is in a Sephora liner. And the inside, the pink, is actually the Morphe Disney collection. Goody goody. What is the name of that liner? The liner is Bellflower. So that's the lippy of the day. Let's try some clothes on. All right, I've lowered you for this bit so you can see these pants. Oh my goodness, they're so tall. Let me put some boots on. All right, so that's what they look like when you're wearing a tall boot. You can't even see my tall boot. They're still pretty long. I think they're too long. I'm already stepping on it. Y'all, I really liked them though. If they weren't too long, they come up high enough. They're cute, they're comfortable. They're just too long. It's the only thing. So fun though. So fun. Just a little peep-a boot down there. All right, let's try the next ones on. Now these are much better. So you can see more of my boot. I'm not tripping over them. They're fun. They're still long enough. They're just not too long. Granted, I do have these big, tall Steve Madden boots on, but that's how I'd probably wear them. I probably wouldn't be wearing them with tennis shoes anyway. They come up super high. My belly button is like right here where this button is. So you can see the difference. Very cute. These are probably going to be a keeper. It shows you the difference in the black and the blue. So fun. I love a little flare kick. They're just so fun. All right, let's do a review. All right, we are back. Miss Callie Cat and Miss Bonnie Faye. You want to say hi, Miss Callie Cat? I know you want my lap because Bonnie's up here. So yeah, two pair of jeans. They were both $42.50. Fit completely different. One was too long, the black ones. These are perfect. I am going to keep these. I'm going to take the black ones back simply because they were a little too long. And honestly, I think they would stretch out and be too big on me. So if I was going to keep them, I may need to go down a size in these. But they were 30s, weren't they? Oh my goodness. Which blows my mind. But I'm probably, unless y'all want to see it in a smaller size, I'm probably just going to return these and keep the blue ones because they were fun. They're right up my alley. That little hippie chicken me. Boho. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love it. Yes, Miss Callie Cat. Such a mess. Y'all, thank you so much for spending time with me. I'd really appreciate it if you would comment and let me know what you think. Use my links. Go over to Maurices. See if there's anything you like. I love that store. You can find stuff as low as $5 or $6 t-shirt wise. And then jeans, you know, it goes up. But it's a great little boutique with great prices. Go check it out. I would love it if you do. I am affiliated with that store. So it's like I'm a sales lady. I might get a little commission, but it won't charge you any extra. While you're down there commenting, I'd love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And also tell your friends to subscribe. There's a little share button. You can share the videos and my page on social media. I appreciate it if you do that as well. And don't forget to press the notification bell. That way you know when new videos are coming out. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.